boatnya.
Itu
temanku.
Hola.
Hello. Good morning.
Alright. That's itu boatnya. Bonjour. Good morning. Very good. That's the captain. Welcome on board. We're fishing. We free dive, guys. Wow! Look at that today. Woo!
Fish for tonight, huh?
Yeah, barbecue.
Look at him. Nice catch.
Yeah, on the edge.
That's beautiful. Nice job. What a day.
What a day of happiness.
What a day.
And we got a fish.
There you go, Eric eating
SpongeBob.
the Laisha.
You are eating nothing.
It's okay. Oke guys, kita get ready buat berenang guys. Dan kita lihat apa yang ada di bawah. Let's go guys. Keren banget guys, keren banget ya, super friendly.
So you coming on this place to snorkeling here because
Yeah.
the channel is not strong.
Okay. It's Captain. Captain caught so many fish. Eric pusing. Guys, barakuda, it's crazy. Laisha, crazy. Barakuda. Scary. I have to get off on the boat. Again. I'm having my lunch. Where's the little kid?
Having a snack.
A snack? Eric is there.
Yep, okay.
Be careful with barracuda.
Are barracuda dangerous?
Yeah.
Sometimes, yes.
He's scared. Are you sure? It's alright, babe. You're not gonna bite you.
Huge barracuda.
You're not wearing.
The food. Make him dangerous.
another fish, guys. Catching another fish. Tangkap ikan lagi. Sepertinya ikan besar, guys. What do you think, Eric? Woo! Another grilled fish for dinner, guys. Giant ravioli, guys. Wow! Whoa, it's very strong. Woo! Look at this guy. Oh my God,
Oh,
it's
it's
huge
beautiful.
fish.
Wow!
Right.
What a
That's a good catch, guys. Amazing. Woo!
amazing.
He's an amazing fisher. Almost arrived. Alright, this is end of the day our trip.
Oh, good. Very
Thank
good.
you. Let's take a video. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Goodbye.
you. Bye. How's that? Oh,
No.
that's okay. You're welcome again.
Yes.
Next time you must come back on the north.